Alright gang, welcome to another video. What we're going to do today is we're going to have a look at resetting the views of a model within Autodesk Inventor. Now the observant ones amongst you will be looking at this thinking, this screen doesn't look like what it does normally. Alright, now what this is demonstrating here is a different view, a different setup that you can set yourself in Autodesk Inventor, and I'm going to actually go in and change it back to a more sort of traditional view. So to do that, you go up to File, click on Options. You'll see your application options tabs open, and in here you can change lots of different info, but the one that we're looking for is this one that says Colors. Okay, we're going to change the theme from dark to light, and I'm going to change the color to presentation, and I'm going to select one color and I'm going to apply that. Okay, so close that down. Oh, computer's taking a little moment here just to. Okay, so what we've done is we've changed it back to a more traditional view. Now I'm going to switch this round, and then we'll have a look at this assembly from this angle. Alright, so I'll click on my view cube to front, and you can see there what I've got is a 3D view. Alright, and that's not necessarily what I'm looking for if I'm looking for the front view. So to reset that, okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw this around here on this side. To reset that, we'll go into this little quick menu, quick access, and it's got a little tab that says lookup. Now, like all the commands, if you hover over it, it'll get you a little bit of a demonstration of what it does. So we're going to select that, and then we're going to zoom in on one of the edges or one of the faces of our model. We're going to left click on there. Okay, so now what we've got is we've got a two-dimensional view of this product on the screen. But if we have a look at our view cube, you can see it's all over the place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on that view cube, and I'm going to set current view as front. Okay, now I'll show you that again. I'll swing that around. I'm actually throwing that around. Now if I want, this is my front view, I simply go back up to my view cube, I right click, and I set current view as front, and you can see it updates my view cube for me. Alright, now when I pop it on there, if I come and I select my home command, click on home, you can see there, oh, that's not quite the isometric view that I was hoping for. So what I'm there going to do, I'm going to select the front, and I'm going to throw that around, and I'm going to select the top left hand corner of that box until I've got my isometric view that I want. Okay, now I'm going to reset that to my home view. So I'll come up to my view cube, reset view as home. I'm going to do fit to view. So what happens if I move away and I make a mistake, if I select my home button, it will come around and it'll give me that isometric view that I need. Alright, so there we go. So that's how we change the views of our model within Autodesk Inventor. Now this will come in particularly handy when you're doing assemblies, because if you haven't grounded your first assembly component, then your model will disappear into all sorts of funny angles, and obviously if you need to reset it, you can use that little tip that I've just shown you just now there. Okay, so thanks for listening, and good luck.